Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you a Telegram mining app where users can mine a gram, and also users can complete the task and also invite friends to earn USDT. Let me show you how this app works. First we will start the bot and we will get a welcome message and also a referral link. We can open the app. Here is the main page of the app where users can start mining and also claim the reward, and even they can boost. And here is the wallet connectivity, so users can upgrade the miner to boost the rewards. Here is the wallet section where users can withdraw the payouts and enter the wallet address. And here is the invite section where users can see the referral reward, and also they can check the referral levels. Here is the mission or task section. Here is the referral reward, like invite 3 friends and claim reward, 5 friends and claim reward. Here is the special function where if users promote your app on any social media platform, then they can submit the content and link and the views. Then you can add the rewards in the users. And here is the settings section where users can change or switch the language. This app also have admin dashboard where you can control the users data and also manage payouts, and you can add the social like a task on your app. So this app built with the Next.js, and we also used MongoDB to store users data. Here is the example of environment variable that you required to run the app. MongoDB URL, admin password and username you can set to access the admin dashboard, your Telegram bot token, a 32 bytes random byte hash, and your Telegram channel ID where users can force to subscribe your Telegram channel, admin channel ID when any subscriber like any users boost the miner, you will get informed. Also the webhook web app URL after deploying the web app on Virsal or Render, so you have to update the address. And here will be your wallet address where you will receive the payments when someone upgrade the miners. So if you want to interested to buy and run your own app, then you can visit our shop defidragon.dev/shop, and here is the marketplace where you can see our others apps, a pre-sale, NFT marketplace, earning watch ads and earning app, also YouTube thumbnails generator app. So here is the mining app, so you can also check the images as a detail and read the instructions what feature inside this app. Here is the buy source code, so you can click on the buy source code and it will be generate a QR code, so you can scan and pay with Solana. You will be must pay with Solflare or a Phantom wallet. So also you can scan this QR code inside wallet scanner, so it will be automatically generate the transaction of the exact amount and with this title, and it's trusted payment, so you will get instantly source code, so you can download and run it. If you need any guideline, so you can also contact us on our Telegram.